So if you were not here for the distance formula lesson, I am going to show you how to do that and how to just type it in your calculator. So if you don't have a calculator at home, there is a link right here at the start of this section. Just click on that link and it will take you to this calculator, and I'll show you how to use this calculator. I'll also show you how to use a regular calculator. So I'll show you both ways. So this right here is the distance formula. So it looks a little scary, but it's not scary, I promise. The thing you need to remember, though, from algebra is this first point would be x1, comma, y1. So points are always x, comma, y. Your second point would be x2, comma, y2. So when we're filling in the distance formula, that's where the x1, x2, y1, y2 come from. So when you're doing x1 minus x2, the x's are the first numbers in each set of parentheses. So your x1 and x2 would be 0 and 6. On the y's, that's the second number in each set of parentheses. So that would be 0 and 8. So I'm going to write out what we will type in the calculator, and then I'll show you how to type it in the calculator. And I'm sorry about the bell when you hear the bell. Okay, so x1 would be 0, minus x2 would be 6, close parentheses and square it. You have to remember the little 2, plus sign in the middle. So it's really important that you don't forget any of the things in your calculator. And then y1 is 0, minus y2 is 8, close the parentheses and square it. Okay, so we're going to have, and as soon as I go to the next screen, this is going to erase, so I hope you wrote it down. But 0 minus 6 squared, and then 0 plus 0 minus 8 squared. So I'm going to have to erase that. And I'm going to go to this calculator so I can show you how to do it. So you're going to click, wait till the bell. So right above SIN and right under A squared, you're going to hit that little square root button. Then we're going to do the left parenthesis, which is under sin. And I'm going to type 0 minus 6, close the parentheses. Then hit the little A2 button to put the squared there. Then the plus sign, we have to have plus in the middle, parentheses, 0 minus 8, close the parentheses and hit the little A2 again. Hit, I think we hit the blue button. Oh, it just already had. So it's 10. That answer is 10. So hopefully you can see how to type that in. I'll do another one just to make sure. So remember, our points are x1, comma, y1, x2, comma, y2. So again, the first numbers in the parentheses are our x's. So the -2 and the 3, -2 minus 3 squared. The second number in the parentheses are the y's. So 3 minus 15 squared. Okay. So -2 minus 3, 3 minus 15. Okay, got to remember that. Okay. Here we go. So square root. And I already forgot. So I got to look. So -2 minus 3, negative, where's the negative sign? I wonder if I just hit minus. -2 minus 3, we're going to see if that works, if it'll work. I don't know if it will or not. Close parentheses and square it, plus parentheses, 3 minus 15. 3 minus 15, close parentheses, and square it. Oh yeah, it did work. So you just hit the minus sign for the negative. So that works. Okay, your answer is 13 on that one. Okay. Do you want me to help you with one more, just to make sure you got it? So if you want to look at one more, so remember our points are x1, y1, parentheses are the x's, so 1 and 9. So I would do 1 minus 9 squared plus, and then the second number in the parentheses are the y's, so negative 2 minus 13 squared. So 1 minus 9 squared plus negative 2 minus 13 squared. Okay, so I'm going to erase that and start over here. So hit the blue to get to the next line. So hit the square root, left parenthesis. It was 1 minus 9, close parentheses, hit the little A2 to square it, plus parentheses, and I forgot the other numbers. So negative 2 minus 13, negative 2 minus 13, close parentheses, hit the little A2, and your answer is 17. So if you have any questions on that section, let me know. I'll make another video for the midpoint.